So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on this cordless scrub tool. So first we're gonna open it up, it's sealed right here. Let's see exactly what we get. We're gonna have to charge it up and see how well it cleans. So we got instructions, a pad, nice bristle brush. I really do like using these. All right, looks like the motor head maybe. Yeah, it's got the motor. Another bristle brush, flat. These are the ones that have the Velcro. So we got to, yeah, this is the attachment that has Velcro, so we can attach this, or this pad, or this pad. It's got the same attachment as these three. Lots of attachments. It is USB-C. All right, we're going to charge it with USB-C. Let's take this out. Here's the handle. It's got a thing to hook it. Mount this to the wall. It's got two-sided tape, or you can screw it. Mount this to the wall to hold it. I love when they have a little bag. And it's got holes in it to let all the attachments dry. So, okay, we've got it unboxed. Here's the handle. So we're going to screw, this is the top part. You're just going to insert it here and screw this in. Now this is another connection here you're going to make right here. Here, I take that cap off. Oh, you can use it as a hand tool. I like this. That's a nice, I can use this as a hand scrubber, or I can put the pole on it. That's a nice feature. Then if we want, we can put the pole on it. Okay, that's also where I charge it. So there's the USB-C connector. I do have to plug this into a wall charger, and then that's how we're going to charge it up. All right, so let's use it as the hand thing. And there's the on power.
Power ready. Please press M to start.
Okay, so we've got two buttons here and a display. The display is a little dim, but I'm going to show you it close up in a second. But you're going to press the power button, then there's a mode button right below it. So press the power button, then the mode button. You've got 3 speeds. So power.
Power ready. Please press
Low speed. Medium speed.
high speed.
High speed. So this is where you're going to do your cleaning with it. And then press the mode button again to turn it off. Now it does have a child lock. If you press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds, it'll go into a child lock feature, and then just press it again, long press it to turn it back off. So again, here's all the attachments are really easy. There's just these little ears you got to line up. They pop on and off. Yep, pretty nice. I love that this is grippy right here. And again, I can put this one attachment on, this attachment on. And I could put, that's like a polisher there.
Power low speed.
Seems pretty powerful.
Medium speed.
Has more power the higher you go. All right. Now let's put the wand on. Oh yeah, again, you got to take this cap off. Put this on. It'll only go one way. Now I can extend. There's a nice handle here. Yeah, that's a pretty nice extension. Wow. Or I can go all the way. Let's measure that. So with it all the way in is 39 inches. Let's extend it. 46 inches. Now that's a fixed angle. You can't rotate that or anything. But yeah, that's pretty nice. It seems pretty stable and lots of attachments. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it again. Hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.